Hello dear students, welcome back to KCET 2020 most likely question from the chapter of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Let's get into our episode number 6, and the question of this episode number 6 is like this. Which reagent will you use for the following reaction? So this is our question. So the equation is given to us, the reaction equation CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. So what is this compound going to be? This, as you know, is containing 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, and they are saturated. Therefore the given compound is butane. Let us see what are all the products that are obtained. This is giving us CH3 CH2 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 Cl. So this will be our first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. This will be first because you know the reason that the halogen is attached to this, and it is going to be 1 chloro, or simply you can also write it as chlorobutane because it's containing 4 carbon atom and it is saturated. Let's also have a look at this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see for the second carbon atom Cl is linked. Therefore the name of this compound will be 2-chloro, and it is saturated 4 carbon atoms. So 2-chlorobutane. So we are getting 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane as our product from butane. Now the question is, which will be the reagent that will convert the butane into these two isomeric products? And as you can see, they have given us only the monochlorination products. Monochlorination, sorry, let me rub that and write the spelling correctly. Monochlorination or monohalogenation, and this is the reaction. Now let's look into all the 4 options given to us. Will the reagent be option A, Cl2 in presence of UV light, or will the reagent be, which is option B, NaCl along with sulfuric acid H2SO4, and option C, chlorine gas in dark. Option D, will the reagent be chlorine gas in the presence of iron and in darkness. So this we have studied both in our first PUC as well as in second PUC. If you want to convert an alkane into monohaloalkanes, the suitable reagent will be chlorination or halogenation to be done in presence of diffused sunlight. So which will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be option A. So that was very simple question. So upon the arrow you need to write what? Cl2 in presence of UV light. Cl2 in presence of UV light. This is monohalogenation or monochlorination reaction, wherein you are getting 2 isomeric products. Okay. Keep watching all of the videos, keep learning and keep improving your scores. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also share this video, children. I wish you all the best.